How to download and install Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Temu app. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type in Temu and search for it. And now here, on the search result, just tap on the second option that says Temu, and here once you see the interface like this, then there you will see the install button. But as of right now, as you can see, I have already installed the Temu app, but if you haven't, then there you'll see the install button. So simply tap on it to start the downloadation or installation of the app. And now with that being said, you just have to wait for some time for the app to get installed on your phone. And now here, once the app is installed, you can just tap on open to launch the app. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Temu app on your phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.